A little girl was being punished for bad behavior, and her parents made her eat dinner in the corner of a room. They paid no attention to her until they heard her pray Psalms 23. I thank you, Lord, for preparing a table for me in the presence of my enemies. You're welcome.
I got you.
Yeah, that way.
It out much, but this old boat works pretty good. We're trying to get it out a little bit more now that we're done the side, and we're almost done it anyways. We got the garage coming up, but we're just trying to get through some heat wave and not build the garage boiling our butts off, right? So anyways, some people wanted to see us out riding the boat, so there you go. And I'll take you out for a fish here sometime soon. I haven't forgot. There's some people that want to see that.
So as you can see along the bottom, the siding for the house, some of it's like scattered, some of it's longer than others, and people have asked us if we're going to cut it, or they've suggested getting a chalk line and chalking a line and then cutting it all even, but we kind of grown to like it, so we're just going to leave it because we like it and we're the ones who live here. So as long as we're happy, that's really all that matters. So it's staying. I will cut the Tyvek underneath that's sticking out, that'll be gone. But as far as the boards being scattered, we're just gonna leave that. We think it's kind of neat. Some people might be wondering why I didn't seal the knots before painting it, and simply because I don't mind if the knots start running, because it's just skirting, and I kind of like the looks of it. Like, I don't want it to be a perfect white. It's literally skirting. It's going to end up dirty and stuff anyway, so I didn't seal any of the knots just because I know that it'll look perfectly fine with them running through the white. I like the looks of that, so there's why. All right, so I'm done all the skirting now. The front of the house has 2 coats already, and then the back and the 2 sides I'm gonna have to do a second coat at a later time. I'm not doing it right now. It's like 30 degrees Celsius. It's just hot. I don't want to do it, but Wednesday is my birthday, so Jeremy and I are going to take a couple days of just relaxing and not working on the house, so we'll be back at it. I'll probably do the rest of the skirting later in the week or next week. I don't know, finish it off, just a second coat of paint. It'll look good. So again, I did not seal the holes because I enjoy the look of the holes. We are not cutting this because we enjoy the look of that, so that's the way we like it, so that's the way we're going to keep it. So anyway, I'm really happy with the white. I love the white. I think it looks really good. Super excited about that. So next project is going to be to do the corners. So on the corners of the house, we're going to, my hands are full of paint. So we're just going to make them look pretty with some trim. Jeremy's going to go around and we're going to do some caulking on the tops where the boards are there. And in the gable area, we're going to do all that caulking, sealing everything up. And then we're going to work on the utility room at the front. We're going to extend it. So we can't do that today because it's Sunday and the stores are closed, but we could always maybe do that tomorrow or later in the week. So we're going to build out the utility room, and then we're going to insulate it properly, and we're going to side it with the same siding, and then we'll just caulk all around it, which needs to be caulked, and we're going to build a proper door on it. Last year we just had, like we have for the skirting, so we used the plywood and we just drilled a bunch of nails and placed it in a spot, but we're going to have an actual door with hinges this year. So if we need to access it in the winter or at any time, really, it's just easier than unscrewing a whole bunch of screws. We'll just have the hinge and have it locked properly, and the door will be insulated on the inside as well. So it's going to be just a little bit better. It was fine last year, but we just wanted a little bit bigger, and then the proper door. So we're going to get on that hopefully by the end of the week.
I'm telling you.
He tells me there's beans in the garden.
I just look quick. I just look quick. This is a pitiful garden, so don't
Holy mackerel.
expect nothing. But look at this.
Wow. Oh my.
There
God.
and here, look. And look over here. Look at that one.
Oh,
Look at these little ones here. There's little yellow beans everywhere. Hey, there's
that.
green ones over there.
Hey, look, peas. They're peas, right?
Well, yellow beans, ain't they?
Look at them. Oh my goodness, I'm going to eat it. Looks so good. Oh yeah.
Good?
Yeah, that's real good.
Let me try. I get a can.
Good girl. You want to eat mine?
Hey.
Here. Here's a big one.
Hey, look. There's a couple green ones on here.
Oh my God, they're so good. Here, look at the size of this.
We grew something.
Oh, it's a miracle. The highest order.
Give me 5.
Yeah. We got beans. Like it?
Hey, that is good.
What a nice bean. How exciting.
That's amazing.
Our garden has been fruitful and multiplied.
Yeah. That here is a true miracle.
Yeah. Well, we got to pick them, cook them for supper. It's all good?
Yeah, we should. We'll have one meal.
Yeah. So good. Tomorrow's my birthday. This is a really happy birthday surprise.
That's cool, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Right on, big harvest.
Love it. I even have peas. I love it. I love fresh peas from the garden. How exciting.
It ain't much, but it's something. It's fun.
Yum. That's a big pea. Ah, I dropped it. Look at the size of it. That's good.
That is good.
Yummo.
Let's cook them.
All right.
So she's going to be 34. So we don't want to put 34 candles. She's getting the age now that that's just way too many candles. So we put 3 on one side and 4 on the other.
Like 34.
Yeah, it's perfect, right?
Yeah. 3 and then 4.
You want to sing?
You sing to me?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Can you help me blow? 1,
How about
2,
her?
3. Good!
Nice!
Yeah!
All right, let's eat it.
The size of the moon tonight. Amazing.